Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Subaru Ascent. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, about 8 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil, a drain pan, and a 17mm wrench. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. This ensures safety and prevents burns. Now, position your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Next, remove the old oil filter. It might be tight, so a filter wrench can help. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Screw the new filter on by hand until it's snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, pour approximately 4.8 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine through the oil fill cap. After adding the oil, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Then, turn off the engine and wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle. Check the oil level using the dipstick. It should be between the low and full marks. Add a small amount of oil if necessary. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil at a local recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.